Hello, traders. Today is Monday, July 14th, and this is my PM recap for gold, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So, gold did end up going down and breaking those structure levels that I was talking about this morning, which theoretically should turn us into a seller because it does look like a 1, 2, 3, maybe 4, and 5. So, we should be keeping an eye on this move up to see if it does make a lower high. If it does, I would definitely take it as a short. The only problem I have with this pattern is that it didn't really go to the levels I was kind of expecting it to go. I was expecting it to at least go up to one of these higher Fibonacci levels. So we do have to be a little bit cautious. I mean, I could picture this on the 4 hour time frame being a 1, 2, 3, and maybe this is a 4, and maybe it still is going to go up to one of these higher levels for the wave 5 of wave B before it turns down. So definitely keep an eye on it sort of time frames. We got CPI inflation data coming out tomorrow, so that's going to be a big deciding factor. I got my Fibonacci retracement from here to here, and if it does decide to stop breaking structure to the upside, maybe on like the 30-minute, 15-minute time frame, maybe we should go back to looking for buys. But definitely keep an eye on it. If it makes some sort of a three-way pullback, goes up, rejects structure, pushes down, then definitely take it as a short. Could turn into a wave 1, wave 2, and wave 3. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord group, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.